Not sure what it is with the long vlogs recently, but I don't know. Do you prefer that, or would you rather go back to the shorter vlogs where I barely talk about anything? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thank you. Oh, 6:45 in the morning. Seriously. And I'm being sent to get breakfast at McDonald's. Oh man, those breakfast burritos are awesome. But anyway, yeah. And I said I'd do that camera review today, so I will do that after breakfast. Alright, I do my best camera work after breakfast. Alright, so this is the camera that I got from Norm. It's not that bad. It's kind of old. I think like late 80s, early 90s model, something like that. But it is, if you can see that, come on, focus, focus, focus. Anyway, it's a SCW87 8mm camcorder. There we go. See, now it focuses. Damn camera. So yeah. Alright, and let's see, now that I got the charger working and everything, this is what it looks like on the inside in the viewfinder. Alright. And you walk around with it, whatever. Let's go into the other room. It's like looking through a hallway and with the TV at the end of it. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. Oh look, I went into the living room. But no, I have no idea how to do these little product reviews or whatever, but I hope I'm doing a good job letting you see what is what with the camera and everything. Let's see here. My favorite feature is this. This right here is my favorite feature. Basically just the way it opens, it looks really neat. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tape in there. Oops. Come on, that is awesome. Can't deny that. Okay, so I'm just going to hit record and on the camera, so it's recording, and basically it's right there behind me, and I'm recording this right now. Now I went and I got an S-video cable, so that I could take it and hook it from, you know, hook up the camera to my laptop, and so I could transfer the video from the cassette tape to digital and edit and everything on my laptop. Well, problem with that is I accidentally bought the wrong cable. Okay, it's the wrong cords. It's basically S-video to audio video jack, so I could hook it up to my TV, but I can't hook it up to my laptop. So I'm gonna have to get another cable if I want to do it, you know, if I want to do editing and everything like that with it. So with that being said, I'm gonna go take that, put it in the living room, hook it up to the TV, and see what it looks like during playback on the TV screen. See if it actually looks decent enough to actually use as a camera. Okay, first thing first, the sound. It's got this horrible buzzing sound coming off of it, and I don't get that at all. Like, you gotta plug in this or else it just there's no audio, right? So that's the audio, that's the video. And the picture is even worse. See? See, it gives me a pink shirt. Seriously, I am not wearing a pink shirt. I'm wearing a red shirt. But yeah, so I don't know. Right now I'm not happy with this. I think I might have to tweak a few things and check it out and play around with it for a bit, but hey, the important thing is it works. Alright, well, because of those problems that I'm having with the camera, basically when I plug it into the TV, everything else works fine. But there's still like a bunch of different menu items and buttons all over the side of the camera and everything that I need to figure out. So I have the instruction manual or owner's manual, whatever you want to call it, for the camera, which I downloaded from the Samsung site, and I am going to put aside the camera until I fully read every word in that manual, just so that I know exactly how to use it inside and out before I actually touch it again and use it. So that's what I'm going to do about that camera. Well, I guess that wasn't much of a review, but more or less trying to figure out how that camera works. Anyway, I'll probably have more once I get more information on the camera and the settings and everything else after I read the manual. So anyway, that's my vlog for today. Tomorrow's vlog is going to be uploaded later on in the afternoon because Jasmine and I have somewhere to go in the morning, and it's just we're leaving way too early to upload it, and it's going to be one of those frantic Fridays. So you know how long those are and how long it takes to upload those. So that'll be in the afternoon. In the meantime, have a wonderful rest of your day. Check out all the links down below in the description box and take it easy.